Man, all right, y'all. I'm in Guam. Just got off work. Been enjoy the pool a little bit. I'm out the office today, big dog. It's crazy, man. In the past 2 years, I lived in Germany, Kuwait, New Jersey, and now I live in Guam. Alhamdulillah. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, the blessing, out here in the beautiful Guam, storm chasing, you know, at work, having a good time. It ain't every day you can, you know, live in a hotel, man. Shout out to the hotel. I got spoiled living in Germany, staying at the Hilton, so, you know, my points is up. I'm like a gold member with them points, man. You know, whiskey. Yeah. I hit one of these slides. I promise I'm not on vacation. This is strictly business. You know, every job got their perks. This is one of mine. I can get used to this. Of course, I gotta get on that slide. No diving, no running. I ain't running, big dog. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes. I'm in Guam. You know, grew up in the slum. Now I'm in Guam. Got the world in my palm. Got the world in my palm. Oh shit. Got the world in my palm. Alright, man. Y'all wanna go down this waterfall with me? Let's go do more stressing. I think I'm too fast, dude. I didn't expect that to be that deep. That was interesting. I should be downstairs doing some work, doing my expense report so I can get paid. I pick up my truck tomorrow. Got a 2024 F-150. So I'll be able to go around the island some. You guys can tag along with me. It's kind of rocky, not really much of a beach, but anyway, I'm gonna check it out. So, you know, sometimes you gotta speak things into twist. I mean, sometimes you gotta speak things into existence, man. I was telling myself I wanted to live in another country. Here I am living in another country. Lived in Europe, all on my company's tab. I got a job that can finance my lifestyle and still trying to grow my business at the same time. Look how clear, pretty this water is. Now I can see if there's any sharks. Looks like a beach bar over there. Now some of this rock is pretty hard. Yeah, man, it's your boy Beau Rakes, man. I'm just having a good time, man, enjoying life, enjoying the fruits of my labor. And shout out to, I met some longshoremen last night. I was at this spot called Live House. Shout out to Ernest, one of the homies from Brazil, and one of the homies from Pensacola, man. Walked out, guy gave me a cigar, man. We was drinking whiskey. Gave me a ride back gave me a ride in the cab. Man, had a good time, man. So shout out to the fellas, man. I was sitting at the bar. It wasn't many brothers in there. It was probably me and another guy. It was the only black guy in there. He walked up to me and said, man, it's good to see brothers traveling. I said, man, appreciate hollering at me, man. I would have did the same thing, man. You know, as brothers traveling, man, we got to remove our ego, say what's up, and fellowship. Well, you don't have to do anything, but it's always a good feeling when that's an option. But got off work early today, man. Finna see how it goes, man. I get with y'all, man. A blessing, alhamdulillah. I gotta get me some damn water shoes. This is like earth. Earth is just